My name's Ben Johnson. I'm your Connected Learning Facilitator. Today we'll be looking at Network Plus by CompTIA. As you can see, we're on the Connected Learning login page. I have put my username in as well as my password, and we're ready to go. We're now at the welcome screen. As you can see, we have a message block. This is where you'll find messages about the Net Plus program, power hours, and other important system information. To the right is the About Me section. This is where we find My Profile. The My Profile page has your username, as well as your first name, last name, email address. In the biography area, you'll put information about yourself, your interests, hobbies, things you like. And in the expertise area, you'll place information pertaining to your work experience, your career goals, your certifications, and other items important to your professional career. If you are wanting to change your email address, click in the email box, make the changes, then you would move to the password box, place your password, and then you would click on Update. This will make sure that you will get the messages and information that is important to your class as well as your study. At the Net Plus area, you'll see the Start tab, and we'll go to Test My Knowledge. This will provide a baseline that will help you gauge and build your learning. Once you completed the assessment, we'll go to Training. The Training section will have the modules and will be where you spend the most of your time. It will have the different titles and sections, as well as content. It will also include areas where you've completed and is still work in progress. Clicking the Overview tab, here you will find the description, instructions, as well as estimated time for completion. You'll see the focus areas, and you'll see learning time, activity time, and total time. In this case, we're looking at 19 hours, 21 hours, and 30 hours. Again, these are minimums. In the content area, we'll go through some of the material that you'll be studying. Part 1 includes foundational networking theories, methods, and technologies. It also has a discussion forum. This module contains an overview, as well as objectives and the hardware and software required. I think you should read the objectives. It will help focus your learning. Each module will have a pre and post assessment. We suggest you take it prior to the study and then after completing it. By doing this, you'll be able to see your achievements. Once you complete the pre-module assessment, we'll go to the content. Let's look at networking terminology. A new window will pop up, and this will begin the curriculum area. What you will see is in the larger section will be the media. It will have the topic objective, as well as what is covered in the modules. You'll see a command bar or a control bar at the bottom, as well as a place to take notes, a glossary, resources, and additional reading. On the left, you'll see a course map. It'll show the different topics within the module, as well as a help and exit. Let's click on Networks. By clicking on Network in the main learning area, the media will begin. You'll notice in this area on the control bar that there is a forward and a back. This will assist you to move along at your own pace. To exit, I'll click on the Exit button and then click OK. We've just finished the Start tab. We'll move on to the Actions tab. In the Actions tab, you will be able to ask questions and get answers from industry experts. You'll be able to share and collaborate with your classmates. You'll also find a place where you and your classmates can gather in an open classroom. In the Review section, you'll find an archive of all of the past Power Hour events. In the Stats tab, you'll find the course honor roll. This is like a leaderboard. By clicking on the Tutorial tab, you'll see videos. We have them about your facilitator, your coach, as well as a welcome page overview. In the What's New section, you'll find perspective videos. These videos will give insight and different perspectives to different news topics, technical topics, and topics pertaining to the Net Plus. By clicking on the Opinions tab, you'll see this week's topic. This week's topic is about the 5-4-3-2-1 rule. To join the conversation, click here and it will take you to the discussion forums. The discussion forums is where you can share information with your colleagues as well as your facilitator and coach. It's a great area to share information, get ideas, and ask questions. Here is the main body about the topic of the week regarding the 543 rule. The 543 rule is based on hubs, repeaters, and segments. This type of Ethernet was once called ThinNet as well as 10BASE-2. To post to this forum, you could click on Reply. By clicking on the Polls tab, you can participate in the polls. These polls are based on news events as well as different types of technology. By clicking, you can participate and also see the results of what your peers are thinking. The Hotlink tab is my favorite. This is a compilation of various websites that are important to networking and the Network Plus. This concludes the Network Plus overview. We invite you to attend our Power Hours, our weekly live events where you and your colleagues will interact with your coach as well as your facilitator, discussing topics that are important to the Network Plus.